Greetings from LSM Academy. So in this video we are just going to check what is standard checkpoint. So standard checkpoint is used to check the property values of any UI elements and the runtime. Example, I'm just going to record this flight application. So I'm just logging into this flight application, which is this application is already installed with QTP for tutorial purpose. I'm just going to click OK. So just I need to check the status of this button, that is the property of enabled. Let us consider that this button status, that is enabled status, should be true in our requirements, but actually it is false. So you can just include a standard checkpoint for the enabled property of this button. So to include the checkpoint, click on Insert Checkpoint, Standard Checkpoint. I'm just clicking this button. So you are having the checkpoint properties dialog enabled. Click on OK. So in this, by default, the enabled is set to false. Suppose if your requirement is true, that is in your requirement the button should be enabled always. I'm just making the constant value false to true and clicking on OK. So my checkpoint is now enabled. I'm just stopping the recording. I'm just playing it. So opening the application flight. So I have marked the enable status as true, but it is actually in false condition. So it waits for a period of some time, and then the test result is available for us as result failed, because my enabled state of the button, which is this thing, is expected value is true, but the actual value is false. So my test has been failed.